Perhaps you have been looking for a way to check your phone first use date and your manufacture date. Some even you want to check your battery life cycle, and then you want to check your battery health. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do that using your Xiaomi phone, your Poco phone, your Redmi phone, even your iPhone online for iPhone. But for Xiaomi product, I'm going to teach you how to do that now offline. So if you are ready, let's go. Please subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Step number 1, you tap on settings. Then you scroll to battery until you can find battery. Tap on it. Then you see battery protection. If you are using Xiaomi phone, this is what you do. Battery protection. You tap on it. You can now see the options here. First use date January 2026. Manufacture date September 2025. Life cycles, that is the charging cycles, you have 60 already. Then battery health, I have 100%. So you can use this battery trick to check your phone first use date, because this is the first date you were able to use this phone by connecting it to your charger. Then if you want the specific date, you head back to your settings. Then you see about phone. You now tap on detailed info and specs. You scroll down. You are going to see device activation here. If you are using Xiaomi Pad, I don't know why they didn't include it on their phones, but on their pads you can see first device activation here. It's going to be in this tray here, the last tray here. You are going to see your device activation option here. When you tap on it, it will show you the exact date that you activated your phone. Then step number 3, in case you are not satisfied with this, step number 3, you can now head over to your dialer and type *#06#. okay, *#06#. It will give you your IMEI number and your serial number. You can decide to use your IMEI number. Then you now head over to your browser and head over to Google and type Xiaomi first use date. You search for it. Alright, you are going to see their official website where you'll be able to verify your product, which is this site here. You tap on this, and from here you can be able to verify your product. Is that one clear? Then once you are done with this, for iPhone users, if you're an Apple user, you can do that online. You go to coverage.apple.com, and then here you can be able to verify your phone. Okay, you can enter your serial number here. You enter this code here, which is your captcha, and then you send. It is going to show you your phone originality, your phone activation date, and the rest information you want to know about your Apple product.